Yes, yes, it's a baby Jiba Fanex. So into this video, Brajaga announcement. As you've seen on the channel, Brajaga Niki drop like reaction videos. I'm refraining from dropping the video like I'm stopping reaction videos. I won't say completely, I get sure because I'm still figuring things out. But one thing I can tell you, the plans I've had for this channel, Brajaga Niki like I wanted to document my life more on this channel because I already have a reaction channel, which is the music channel. Check it out. This channel like for like originally for documenting my life. Those who know, I once dropped a prank video kind. I know what I don't like prank videos anymore. But I feel like almost those prank videos. Then get really a truth or drink can only choose where all of my friends shooting a video truth or drink. I really enjoyed that video. No, I'm trying to step into the vlog scene, storytelling, because one thing about me, yeah, I like telling stories though. I won't lie. So those kind of content, that kind of content ke yone e le gore ke nyaka go e dira. I want to implement it on my channel because this is the main channel. I feel like it's a main channel for a reason, but some way somehow the music channel is more like it surpassed the main channel because this is my favorite channel. I can't lie, like it here the main one. That's where I'm sorry, the creative control more than the music channel because music channel all we have to do though you just react to stuff like you just react to music. Of course I like music, I like Ongosha. So if you want to check out the music channel, it's not going anywhere, no content is changing. I once like first time I this thing I'm doing right now. I was thinking of moving these reaction videos, the normal reaction videos, the drama and stuff, to the music channel also. Then make it a reaction channel. But I thought, oh man, like all of my subscribers know that channel for music. So imagine now, that's another like notification saying, Bad Pape Music uploaded a video or Bad Pape uploaded a video. Oh, checker, it's not music. We expect ring okay, we react to another local song. When we check the video ya drama or something, so do not feel like they're doing it. I sharp. The music channel must stay as the music channel. If I want to react, rather do it here. If I don't do it here, then I get it. So yeah, that's where my headspace is at right now. Can you go move like can you go shift a type of content again drop more on this channel? Mara, the music channel, you know what the way it is. I feel like I wanna document my life more than like honestly speaking, even though but try to my music channel, but left one number 80% battle for music battle okay, what did Shere mean on this bar? What did Dilbril mean on this wordplay? Ongusha battle le juba mpona ke breaker down the lyrics. But then moyeki like naga obviously but for total drama ongusha like you feel about okay, so on both channels nobody knows the real me. Ongusha batala batala this certain persona like I'm commentating on beef, I'm commentating on music ongusha a ona motho o tsebang nna street ongusha reng mfethulo. So yeah, that's why I'm switching content, but okay, I won't say I'm switching content, mara I'm upgrading content because even reaction videos are low effort content. If you know, you know. Reaction videos are low effort content. So a part of me feels like the really reaction videos because it was something that's easy to do, or I thought was easy to do, and it's what's trending right now. Yes, reaction videos are trending, but then people won't watch your reaction videos as long as they don't know you. because they come for like you don't just watch you don't just watch someone's reaction videos. You watch what they have to say. I don't know if you get my point. Because if you wanted to just watch the video, you just watch the original. But you're watching the reaction video because you want to hear what, for example, maybe I have to say about that particular thing. But why would you care about my opinion if you don't know me? I'm sure get more precision. So that's why I want to document my life more since ke ntlo lore ntšeng ya wedi like ke ntlo lore ke to connect le audience yaga since a se tšhuke gola ke sa thoma moša se tšhuke di next ke decide le goreng ke di gana ka mokgona le gona if in the later stage nka decide goreng go thoma pusha only reaction videos like I was doing right now like little people would care what I have to say because ba ntse gore ke nna motho mojwang ba tseba di-morals jaaka di-principles jaaka almost. So right now I feel like the people don't care what I say, honestly speaking, because obviously to the ones who watch bafethu thank God for watching me almost. Mara the others they'll just pass my video. I'm sure maybe even if the YouTube recommends my channel they won't watch because you're well okay, why do I have to care what this guy says? Because so yeah. And another thing called reaction videos, dog, you have to drop every day, especially the type of content I was shifting to, like the drama or what. You have to upload every day because there's drama every day. So none get upload once a week, once every 2 weeks. And if you're a drama reaction channel, dog, my advice for reactors right now, though, if you are a react, drop every day. Like you have to drop every day. I can't lie. That's why I feel want to do it because one thing I can data drop every day. I can internet connection like Wi-Fi. You go drop every day. So I feel like the more time I take, drop, the less, the more batho ba sa check channel like go dia because ke lore nkebe ke drop every day. Maybe they would say, hey mama, before mama, let's hear what this guy is trying to say about this situation. Then when they come to my channel, I didn't drop about that certain issue, and that's why then I get into that like my niche. Oh, so right now I'm having a niche shift because I was into entertainment like so yeah. No, yeah, he shifted to what? He shifted to entertainment, vlog, storytelling, mukbangs, those type of content. Because I feel like those type of content, the content that suits me because I already have a music channel, music reaction channel, so I don't really have to react. Even though I like reacting, but I can react to music. Right now, I just want to focus on documenting my life. Le gona ke ding ke tsebe gore like if I drop after 2 weeks, even though not personally I drop a video every week, whether it's a story time video or a vlog, mukbang, whatever the video is, mara ke drop once a week. So even if ka se drop once a week, I drop maybe after 2 weeks or one video a month, even though that's kind of lazy ka se die mara go shale nga drop 2 videos a month. Ke a tsebe gore someone that's waiting to see my video I no ema fela gore I am 2 weeks o no lebella a drama reaction bongusha o ema 2 weeks ora bone something worthwhile ngusha. So mona ke tsore ke tlhalose yuang mara like na le this thing o range tso mona e ding go creator more like if you don't get na kaisenet ya ngusha braga like I'm going crazy this year. I'm going crazy but right now the channel is on 63 subscribers. I feel like the channel is growing slow for like it's too slow for my liking because this channel is the first channel I created. I dropped 2 videos 2022. Those videos were 100 and something views, both of them 100 and something. First videos I better 30 subscribers in like a week or 2. Then I privated my videos. No, I didn't private the videos. I just left the channel. I didn't drop for 2 years, 2023. 2024. Then 2024 December, I created the music reaction channel. Then 2025, I was dropping on 2 channels. This main one, I came back after 2 years. Then also being consistent on the music channel. Not really consistent. I went like two months without dropping on the music channel. But the music channel right now, it's on 150 something subscribers, which is 90 subscribers, 90 something subscribers more than this one, and this one is the first channel. So I don't know how, Mara, that's what it is, which means I'm consistent that side more than this side. So we try or do it because main channel now, main channels on higher than the other channels. For example, main channels on more than the music reaction channel, even though maybe people like main channel, music channel more than this one, Mara, not personally for now, because this one is I would say it's my favorite channel. Mara. Though I like this one because this one idea about that's why this one is my favorite channel. Maria have to but like too much. So I have too much to say. Definitely getting more story times and maybe mukbangs than vlogs because I'm not an outdoor person, I'm an indoor person. I get to zama. So I'll try, if I can, I'll try to drop a vlog every month or two. Two, I think it's pushing it. I'll try one for now. If I can, then maybe I'll upgrade to 2. But then a video every week, you're definitely getting a video every week. If a video doesn't drop in a week, you can't spend 2 weeks without getting a video because maybe I won't have the internet connection to upload, but the video will be there in my gallery. So bang after banger coming through storytelling. I don't even know where to start. Let's storytelling because I have too many stories. Maria, thanks for watching the video, brother. It's your boy BAD Bafanixi, and I'll catch you on in the next video.